It's common for people to sometimes overlook the useful information that you can find on your paint tubes. So I want to point out the color index number. I'm holding a tube of Winsor Newton Designer's Gouache Permanent Rose, and if we look at the color index number on the back, that's PV19. So P stands for pigment, V is violet, and 19 is the chronological order in which that color was categorized. So for instance, let's take a common color that you all have in your toolkit somewhere, and that would be titanium white. So that's going to be PW6. So again, P for pigment, but this time W for white, and then 6th is the 6th white that was categorized in chronological order. So again, you can imagine if it's a red, it might be PR and whatever the number is for that. And this is important to know the color index number over designer name colors. And when I say designer name colors, I mean, if I say to you sky blue, you have an idea of what that means in your head, and I have an idea what that means. But our intensity of that color, the lightness or darkness of that color may be off a little bit. So if you see a color like that, you can always look at the color index number. This isn't unique to Winsor & Newton, you see it across the whole entire art industry, but I also find it helpful if I'm mixing a color. So for instance, if there's a color that's a very light pink and I look on the back of that tube and I see, it's PV19 and PW6, and I know I have a permanent rose and a titanium white, I can mix those and I can get the color I want by knowing the color index number.